Okay, the last point is about intonation. We are going to start a special question, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please?
Dictionary.
Alternative questions. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at the night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can. Cheese. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't.